Welcome to the second lesson of Introduction to Algebra. In the first lesson, we talked about writing and simplifying algebraic expressions. In this lesson, we talk about simplifying algebraic expressions. And you need to remember the rules whenever you are trying to simplify algebraic expressions. First, we have two terms. We have the like terms, we have the unlike terms. Like terms are just terms that have the same variable and the same power or the same degree. In this case, you can add or you can subtract. Just like when you talk about apples or oranges, they are the same. So you can add oranges to oranges, you can add apples to apples. Unlike terms, they have no common variable and their powers or exponents are not the same. So just like I use the apples and oranges, you cannot add apples to oranges. Okay, so we add apples to apples. These are like terms. These are the two differences. So now you see the examples. We have a plus a, that should give you 2a. So if you have an apple plus an apple, give you 2 apples. Or you can have a 2a squared plus 3a squared. That should give you 5a squared. Now look at the unlike terms. You have a plus a squared. A plus a squared, you cannot add because they are different. This you cannot add or subtract. And a squared plus b squared plus c, these are also different terms. They don't have a common variable, so you cannot add. So in simplifying algebraic expressions, we add only terms that have common variables and having the same power. And remember, in adding, we add the coefficient. We add the coefficient, and we talked about the coefficient in the previous lesson. If you've forgotten, let's recall. We found that the coefficient is a constant multiplier of the variable. So the number that is attached to the variable is called the coefficient. So in simplifying algebraic expressions, we add the coefficients. So you look at the like terms, we have a plus a. Whenever you have a and there's no number in front of it, it means the coefficient is 1. So you see 1a plus 1a, but in maths we don't write the 1. So 1a plus 1a will give you 2a because 1 plus 1 is 2. So we are adding the coefficient. And 2a squared plus 3a squared will be 5a squared because we are adding coefficient. So the first term has a coefficient of 2, the second term has a coefficient of 3. So we add 2 plus 3, that will give you 5. Right. So now that we know how to simplify algebraic expressions and how to write algebraic expressions, let's have a practice example here. At a food store, for every cup of avocado shake, 2 avocados are needed. And for every avocado toast, 1 avocado is needed. Now, your task is to write the algebraic expression for the total number of avocados needed for shakes and toast both. You can pause the video and try this example. Alright, so after trying, you pause the video and you solve it. And let's see. Now, this is the solution. Step 1, what do we know? Always ask yourself, what do we know? What information do you have? We know that we have 2 avocados per cup and 1 avocado per toast. Okay, so you have this information. Now, what are the unknown values? The number of cups and the number of toasts. These are things that we don't know. So we need to represent them by variables. Represent the unknown with variables or letters or alphabet. We use cup C to represent cups, T to represent toast. You can use any variable that you like. You can use X, you can use Y, you can use A, you can use B, what you like. I use C and T. Okay, so C represent cups and the T represent toasts. Now the task is to write the algebraic expression to represent the information we have. This gives us, now you choose the operation multiplication and addition. Multiplication and addition. So from the information that we have, we know that for every cup of avocado shake, 2 avocados are needed. That means we need 2 times to make 1 cup of avocado, okay? Avocado shake. So it's 2 times C. Now, and for every avocado toast, we need 1 avocado. That is 1 times T. So you have 2 times C, which is 2C, plus 1 times T, which is T. So our total number of avocados will be 2C plus T. This is how we write the algebraic expression from the information that we had. Compare this with your solution if you had this right. If not, correct your mistakes and then you make it better. Alright, so this brings us to the end of this lesson, and in our next video we will learn about how to evaluate these expressions, how to find the total cost of buying 2 avocado shakes and 1 toast of avocado. Thank you for your time and see you in the next video.